shipping in carbon.
Groceries.
112 lang. Wala lang yung
Have we got cucumber?
I think we don't have. I just
Let's
need
get
like
one nice big one. Yeah.
this one.
Uh-huh.
Ano sa rin? Ay, did I get ginger? No,
I don't know.
I'll get little lang. This one I little lang.
Have we got garlic?
Garlic?
Yeah.
I think we still have mom. So we'll get lang a little lang. Look at what I'm wearing, mom. Boy,
You put your flat shoes on.
I put it when in the